Hi everybody, welcome to Singing Assembly. So as always, we're going to start off with our sit up, head up. So we have to sit up when we're singing to allow all the air to come out. We have to keep our head up because we can't sing here into our chest. So we have to sing with our upwards, lifting our heads up. We're going to start off with some exercises. Just like Mr. Suarez Mystery, Mr. Charman, they exercise with you, your muscles. Your throat is a muscle too, and inside there is a muscle for singing. And we have to warm it up, and we have to think about breathing. So there's two things. We're going to warm up and we're going to do breathing, okay? So let's start off with warming up our faces. You ready? Let's blow some big raspberries. Are you ready? We're going to do 5. One more. That was great. Well done. Okay, now I'm going to just give our faces a little massage. This is good for warming up your face and your mouth. Yep, excellent. Little warm up. Okay, let's do big faces, small faces. Ready? So we're going to make our face as big as we can and then as small as we can, like this. Ready? One more. Excellent, that's really good. Okay, we're going to do some breathing. We're going to take a nice deep breath and count to 5. We're going to hold it and then let it out. Okay, ready? Nice deep breath. Good, another one. One more, ready? Really good. And what we're doing is we're stretching our lungs, and we're keeping our lungs nice and healthy so that they fill up with air, because it's our lungs, they're like balloons inside your chest, and they fill up with air, and that is what gives you the power to sing. Right, that's what gives you the power, okay, to sing. All right, let's start. We'll do a little bit of warming up now singing. So we're going to do a pitch guess. So we're going to use this sound, la, and I'm going to go high, la, low pitch, la, la, la. In the middle, la, la. You might be able to do it higher than me. Try. La, low pitch, la, la. In the middle, la. Okay, you're going to do it on your own this time. You ready? I'm going to choose a pitch. See where you sing it. Ready? Go. Low. We ended on a low pitch. Very good. Well done, guys. Good. Okay, shall we sing? We're going to sing the Miya song today, and it goes like this. Miya, 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 Miya. Can you do it with me? And you need to take a nice deep breath before we start. Okay, ready? 1, 2, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miya, 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 Miya. Very good. And when we sing, we always pronounce the sounds really clearly. Starts with sound, Miya. Okay, and then when we get to the top, we're going to go down. And when we go down, we're going to sing, we going to go from the bottom, Miya, 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 and then at the top, we are, we are, we are. We're going to go down the pitch, all the way down to we are amazing. So we're going to start with Miya. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Me. Oh, I didn't take a deep breath. Did you take a deep breath? No, I didn't either. So let's take a nice deep breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Miya, 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 Miya. Very good. We're going to go down. Take a deep breath. We are, 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 we are amazing. Very good. Okay. How about the ABC song? Because we know that too. A, B, C, D. Take a nice deep breath when you need to, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Take a deep breath. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Excellent. Loving that. That's really good. Now, I thought that we would do a song about spring. Spring, one of the seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, winter. Starts all over again. It's a cycle. Spring. So spring, summer, autumn, winter. So I've got a song called Spring Is Here. It's one of my favourite songs. When I taught nursery, we used to sing this in nursery. Now, Spring Is Here, this song is not only just singing, but it's actions as well, okay? In the chorus, there are some actions. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to sing it first, and then we'll go through it, okay, together. All right. It's called Spring Is Here, all right? It starts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a ladybird. That is how I know. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a ladybird. That is how I know. So that is the verse, okay? Do you want to try it with me? So it goes, spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a ladybird, that is how I know. Ready? Should you sing it with me this time? And if you want to know where the piano is coming from, it's here. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm playing the piano at the same time. And so, sorry if I go wrong, because I have made a few mistakes sometimes. But we make mistakes, don't we, sometimes? I just have to keep trying and try again, okay? Spring is here, ready? I'm going to go through it again. Sing it with me if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a ladybird, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a ladybird, that is how I know. Very good. Okay, then it goes into the chorus. Now the chorus has actions, so when we sing this song we always have to stand up, okay? I can't stand up because I'm playing the piano, but you need to stand up now, okay? Because we're going to do the ladybird walk. Strut your thing, do the ladybird walk, and flap your wings, do the ladybird walk. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. That's the chorus, okay? So you have to stand up for this. So it's do the ladybird walk. You can walk, yeah? And do the ladybird walk and strut your thing. You could do anything, any movement you want. Do the ladybird walk and flap your wings. and then look around for another sign of spring. Can you think of another sign of spring? What other animals come out at springtime? Yeah, because we're going to be singing about those. So shall we try the chorus? Do the ladybird walk? So remember to stand up. You ready? 1, 2, 3, do the ladybird walk. Strut your thing, do the ladybird walk. And flap your wings, do the ladybird walk. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. Then we go back to the verse again. Spring is here, how do you think I know? And we're going to do another animal this time. So the next animal is spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a bee, that is how I know. Ready, you going to sing that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a bee, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a bee, that is how I know. And then we go into the bee walk. That's why we need to always stand up, okay? So we do the bee walk. Do the bee walk, strut your thing, do the bee walk, and flap your wings, do the bee walk. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a butterfly, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a butterfly, that is how I know. Do the butterfly walk, strut your thing, do the butterfly walk. Do and clap your wings, do the butterfly walk. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a frog, that is how I know. Spring is here, that is how I know. I just saw a frog, that is how I know. Now I'm going to stop there because we have to do the frog walk. And the frog walk is a little bit different because it goes like this. Do the frog walk. Oh, sorry, it's not walk. See, frogs don't walk. What do? Do the frog jump. Okay, so we do the frog jump. Remember, you got to be standing up. Do the frog jump. Strut your thing. Do the frog jump. Bada bing. Do the frog jump. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a frog, do it again, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a frog, that is how I know. Do the frog jump, strut your thing, do the frog jump. Bada bing, do the frog jump. Do anything and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here. So with this song we go through all those animals. So next singing assembly we'll have a go at the beginning. We'll have a go at doing Spring is Here and we'll do all those animals. So I hope you have fun learning that spring song this week, and I will see you at the next singing assembly. Bye everyone.